Hello fellow coders, today's task is very simple. Given a string of words, return the length of the shortest word. Now let's analyze the example solution. We start by defining a function called shortest word length that takes one input parameter called input string. This function will calculate and return the length of the shortest word in the given string. Then, we split the input string into a list of words using the split method. By default, the split method divides the string wherever it encounters whitespace, such as spaces or tabs. The split function is used to divide a string into multiple smaller parts, based on a specified separator. If we want to be more specific about the separator, we can declare it. The function takes a string as input and optionally a custom separator, and it returns a list of smaller strings, each representing a part of the original string. Next, we initialize a variable called shortest length with the length of the entire input string using the len function. This ensures that we have a starting point for comparison. Using a loop called for loop, we go through each word in the words list. This allows us to examine each word individually. Inside the loop, we calculate the length of the current word using the len function. This gives us the number of characters in the word. During this step, we compare the length of the current word, length, with the current shortest length, shortest_length. If the length of the current word is smaller, shorter, than the current shortest length, we update the value of shortest_length to be equal to the length of the current word. To better understand this process, let's go through an example. Consider the sentence, "Hello fellow coders, today's task is very simple." Initially, we set shortest_length to the length of the entire sentence, which is 42 characters. Now, as we loop through each word in the sentence, we compare the length of each word with the current value of shortest_length. The comparison length less than shortest_length determines whether the length of the current word is shorter than the current shortest length. If a word is indeed shorter than the current shortest_length, we update shortest_length to be equal to the length of that word. This way, we keep track of the shortest length we have encountered so far. Let's consider the word hello as our first comparison. The length of hello is 5, and we compare it with the current shortest_length, 42. Since 5 is smaller than 42, we update shortest_length to be 5. As we progress through the loop, we continue comparing each word's length with the current shortest_length. By the time we finish examining all the words, the shortest_length variable will hold the length of the shortest word in the given sentence. This occurs because we keep updating shortest_length whenever we encounter a word with a length smaller than the current shortest_length. Ultimately, after the loop completes, we have successfully determined the length of the shortest word in the sentence. The process of updating the shortest length is crucial because it allows us to keep track of the smallest word length encountered during the loop. By continually comparing and updating the shortest_length variable, we ensure that it accurately represents the length of the shortest word. After finishing the loop and examining all the words, we exit the loop and return the final shortest length as the result of the function. And that's it. We've covered the entire code solution step by step. I hope this lecture has helped you understand the code better. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask. Feel free to subscribe for more passive learning clips.